Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So it's been a bit since I did a painting with a hairdryer. So that's what we're going to do today. And we're going to use 4 colors. So starting with black. All right, and then some white. And we're going to use blue and copper. All of these colors are mixed with Floetrol and water. I'm just going to help the black along a little bit over here. And then the white. Okay, so this should be plenty of paint. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to turn down the volume down for this part because it is a hairdryer and it's loud. All right, so there we go. I'm going to fill in a little more black on here. There's a couple spots where it's not totally filled in. And then we'll go ahead and do a close-up. All right, so here we go with the close-up. This is the lower right-hand corner. So some of that blue did get pushed into the white there. And this is one of my favorite color combinations. This blue with the copper is just gorgeous. And upper right-hand corner, mostly white, but a little bit of copper in there. Going over here to the upper left-hand corner, it's just pretty much that black with the blue. And this should self-level, theoretically. We'll see. And the lower left-hand corner there. And then I just want to show you this awesome part where kind of all of the colors meet. And this is just gorgeous. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will be posting this dry on my Instagram within a couple days. So definitely check back there to see the fully dry and sealed version. But I don't think this will change too much. It should stay pretty much just like this. So anyways, I'll see you guys next time.